Hi guys, it's Dr. Michaela from Active Life Chiropractic. Today we're going to be going over an exercise for helping baby roll from tummy to back. So this is going to be one of the first things that they do when we're working on rolling. Babies should roll from their tummy to their back first because it's easier, and then we'll transition to rolling from back to tummy. So I do have another video that I'll link for different things that you can work on with rolling, but for this one specifically, we're going to be working on the thread the needle exercise, which really puts them into that rolling position. So to start off with this thread the needle exercise, baby's going to be in tummy time. So first off, you're going to want to work on getting baby up onto elbows, right? So once baby is up on elbows, reaching for toys and has that transfer of weight down, right? So they're up on their elbows and they're gonna have to be able to transfer weight to one side versus the other. What they're gonna have to do now is they're gonna have to open up through one side. They're gonna have to track an object, a toy, over this side, and then eventually their head is gonna take over with gravity and they're going to accidentally roll over. That's gonna be the first way that babies start to roll, is accidentally. Then they're gonna build those motor patterns and they're gonna be able to do it more consciously. So what the thread the needle exercise is, we are going to take one hand and your opposite hand over the top of them and reach it through their opposite side. So you doing this in and of itself is going to shift baby's weight to their side to help with rolling. So I don't want you to pull and just pull them onto their side. I want them to work with it too. So if you pull a little bit of weight and they are playing right here, you can use a toy to help them track their head this way so that they eventually fall through. I'll show it how we do it on this other side as well. So if we're wanting them to go over their left side, you're gonna take your right arm underneath and hold their left arm. You're then gonna pull slightly to have them where they're almost on their side. You can play with them with an object and have them roll through. So I would practice these exercises in tummy time for about 5 to 10 minutes a day. And like I said, once you start doing it with them, they're gonna build those motor patterns. They're gonna do it accidentally at first, and then they're gonna be doing it on purpose. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or give our office a call today.